Another really exciting feature of the DFMA dashboard is the ability to define filters to further refine your searches on your DFMA data. This will make your mining and analytic activity much more simple by only finding the pieces of information that you want. So here I'm going to select a different search, and I'm going to call this DFM injection molded parts. And I'm going to browse and look again in my OneDrive location, and I want DFM results. But now here you see I've got a couple of choices. The layout option allows me to choose which of these column headings I want to include or not include. So maybe in this particular example, I don't want the file location as something to show up, and you can drag and drop these around, or you can add and remove them as you see fit. The sort option would allow me to sort the results by any of these different column headings. So if I wanted to sort here before I exported the information to Excel, I could do that. But then this filters choice really allows me to dig down into the details of the analyses by adding different filters that can be additive with one another to define information. So in this particular case, I can search for, and the menu unfortunately probably dropped off the screen because I'm trying to get this at the right resolution to make it easier, but I'm going to choose manufacturing process as the filter result, and then you can see from this list I can choose injection molding. So what that'll do now is, when I choose search, it will find for me only the DFM files on my OneDrive that were injection molding analyses. And so you can see if I scroll over here to the manufacturing process, you can see only injection mold has been included. Now if I wanted, I could add another filter. So I could say add another filter, and you can see it keeps building on them here. So we've got injection molding, and in this particular case, let's say where the tooling investment is greater than, let's say, $10,000 or whatever currency I want to be searching in. And so if I click search again now, it will further refine this list, probably shortening the result to show me only parts that are now injection molded. And you can see here injection molding is still the process. And as I scroll further over to the right here, I'll find, oops, I missed it somewhere, I'll find tooling investment. And now I'll have here only results where the tooling investment was greater than the $10,000 that I specified in the filter. So you can add as many of these different filters as you want to your searches to make finding the data much easier and much more accessible. Then all of the copy and paste things and all of the export to Excel things obviously export just like you have seen in previous videos, or you would expect that they would.